The thrill of your first controlled flight is for sure breathtaking. Let's take a closer look at going upwind and downwind. This will allow you to get back to your starting point and navigate to new locations on the water. For this exercise, it's the same principle for both straps or strapless. Going upwind with a foil board is rather easy. Similar to going upwind with a twin tip or wave board, you want to lean back against the kite and edge the board up. By flying your kite below 45 degrees, you can create more pressure against the board. Remember, the lower you fly your kite, the more pull it will create, and in turn, the higher you will be able to go against the wind. You'll be surprised how hard you can go against the wind with a foil board. On the other hand, going downwind is for some beginners harder to master. Instead of leaning back against the kite, bring your weight over the board and fly the kite higher. Remember to have your weight over your front foot, and rather than leaning, try to pivot your hips to make small but upright direction changes. As you ride downwind, you will recognize the kite pulling less. The trick is to find the correct balance between going downwind without outrunning your kite and losing too much power or line tension. Bringing your kite up and down and even kite loops help to maintain power in the kite and will keep you flying above the water. Let's repeat the key elements. Edge up the board and fly the kite lower to go upwind. Keep the board flat and fly the kite higher to go downwind. Move or loop the kite to augment the pressure of the kite. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.